Hello po, ako po si Christine Palma, isang simpleng ina at office worker just like many of you. I wake up every day with the hope of providing my family and giving them a good future. Pero dumating po sa buhay ko ang isang mabigat na pagsubok, colorectal cancer, na kumalat na rin sa aking baga at utak. Napakahirap po, hindi lang physically, kundi emotionally at financially rin. Every day is a battle. But in the midst of this challenge, there are people who remind me that I am not alone. To the Filipino-American Cancer Care, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. Your kindness, generosity, and unwavering support give me so many others the strength to keep fighting. Hindi lang po ito tungkol sa financial assistance. This is about hope, about knowing that there are people who truly care. To the volunteers, sponsors, and donors, your generosity makes a real difference in the lives of cancer patients like me. Dahil sa inyo, may mga pamilyang nagbibigay ng pag-asa, may mga pasyenteng nakakakuha ng tulong sa kanilang gamutan. Your kindness is a blessing, and I will always be grateful for. At syempre, gusto ko pong ipaabot sa aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa lahat ng dumalo sa David Pomeranz Charity Concert, knowing that so many of you came together for this cause is truly heartwarming. Each ticket, each donation, each moment of support, lahat po ito ay may malaking impact sa aming mga buhay. And to Sir David Pomeranz, maraming salamat po for sharing your time and talent for this cause. Your music has always inspired so many people, and now you are bringing hope to those who need it most. Thank you for being part of this mission to help cancer patients like me. Sa lahat po ng tumulong, nagbigay at sumuporta, maraming salamat po. Your kindness gives us strength, your generosity gives us hope, and your support reminds us that we are never alone in this fight. God bless you all. Thank you.